Hey everybody, welcome back. In this guide video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you fix Wi-Fi adapter missing in Windows 11. If the Wi-Fi adapter is missing in Windows 11, then there could be a couple of different reasons why the issue might have occurred. Similarly, you could try different steps in order to fix it. So, first of all, you could actually go to your device manager. So on the search box, you want to open it up and type in device manager. When you locate it, so you could see a pop-up window over here. So what next you want to do is you want to go and locate for your Wi-Fi network. So here, if you can see network adapter, you want to actually go ahead and click on it, or you could just double click onto it and you could actually find the Wi-Fi network. After which you will need to go ahead and look for it and right click on the mouse when you locate it, so and click on update drivers. Try doing this method and see whether that works or not. After which then you want to come to this Windows tab and then click on this power button and make sure to restart the device, and that should be able to help you out. However, if this issue still persists on, you want to come to the device manager once again and you want to go to network and adapter once again and select your Wi-Fi connection, and then right click on the mouse and you want to make sure to disable device. And after you actually disable it for a couple of seconds, you want to once again enable it, and that can be able to help you out as well. If the issue still persists on, you could also check for a Windows update. So right click on the mouse and go to adjust date and time, or so here you want to come to settings. So click on the search box and go ahead and type in settings. As you type in settings, what next you want to do is you want to come to Windows update in the top right, and if you see a install just like mine, that means it has to be installed and it has to be updated, and that could be able to fix it. So despite of doing all of these procedure, if nothing seems to be working out, then you want to come to this page settings and go to network and internet and reset your network. So for that you want to go to advanced network settings, and then you could actually find this a reset option. Then you want to go ahead and reset your network. That should be able to help you out to fix it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.